This is my first video like this. Basically, I'm in my raw state right now, like I'm red right now. I've been doing a whole bunch of research. I don't even know what's going on, but my eczema is just black, can't speak to that. Real bad flare up, and I'm just like at my wit's end, so I've been researching. I'm trying all this stuff. I'm about to try this pure baking soda. He said make sure you get baking soda, not baking powder, so I make sure I got baking soda. And he said you put it on your face, and after that you put some coconut oil on it, and it like sheds all the dead skin. So I'm hoping that this works. I'm pretty sure that it won't, and I'm pretty sure my face is gonna be even more red after this. But I just wanted to post my journey because I feel like everybody else does it, and I'm really having a really bad flare up at the moment, and it sucks because I'm about to go out of town. It's right before my birthday. I hope that I got 2.5 weeks before my birthday, and I hope all this is gone by then, but I doubt it. So I'm about to try this out, and we gonna see how this go. I'm gonna keep y'all posted on my journey. So I forgot I had actually mentioned the actual what the actual thing is. It's actually, he said to mix a coat of baking soda and water and make it into a thick paste. I ended up using too much water at first. I had to add more baking soda, so I got a lot of paste, way more than I would for my face. So if it works, which I hope it kind of does, I'm gonna use it for my skin on my arms and stuff, because I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's because it's the spring season or something, I don't know. But my skin was popping last year, and this year, I don't know what's going on. So he did mention that this will burn, so I'm gonna try to apply it. Hopefully it doesn't burn too bad. Let's see if this mirror gonna stay up.
Yes.
I'm looking like a fool with pants on the ground. YouTube remedies. I'm gonna be happy as hell if it works. Ooh, I can't put it up under my eye. I stopped eating meat again because some man on YouTube said that messes up your eczema too. So I'm just listening to all this YouTube stuff. That's how a wit's end I am, got me. So he said, okay. Definitely tingling now. So it's supposed to balance your pH. It's supposed to make it less acidic and more. What's the opposite of acidic? I don't know. I tell you what. That thing right there it's not for the weak. That thing no joke. That thing burned so bad I had to take it off. That thing was on 11 minutes. He said keep it on for 20. It burned too bad. Don't know how he did that. He must got superhero powers. I don't think I'm ever gonna probably do that again. And my skin looks the same. Oh, he said put coconut oil. My face doesn't really agree with coconut oil, so I just put Vaseline on it instead. My face is messed up. I'm gonna put a before picture on this so y'all can see how it used to be. It just happened out of nowhere and it won't go away. Also, that baking soda got on my lip and I got a